Hey, welcome back to another video. I'm sorry I didn't upload recently, but I got the Slash out. We're gonna finally do some runs. Once again, I'm sorry that I didn't upload for like 2-3 months, but you've seen the title, you know what we're doing. So we're gonna give the Slash a whirl out on top of the parking deck. Pretty big. Good amount to give us some good room for testing. Let's go ahead and fire this baby up. Ooh, almost rolled it there. So there's a little basic run of the Traxxas Slash that I picked up on eBay. Pretty good. All I've done really is change out the stock gearing for the high-speed gearing because I want to go fast. It's a little bit hard to drive and film at the same time. Like if I were to get like a controller specifically with a phone or camera mount, would be a lot easier, but just want to get this video out, y'all, just to show how good it runs. But hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.